Okay, this is another one of our vintage guitars. This is Dale Showstoppers. And this is a 65 D-18. And it has a serial number of 211135. And I want to show you the inside of it. And I wanted to find my magnet to show you. It's got a T-bar in it. But anyway, it's got a T-bar in it. I'll find the magnet as I go. All right, so here is the inside of the guitar. This is the pit. It's on mirrors. I got mirrors. And this is the top. Really clean top. All right, so I'm going to take the mirrors out so that I can show you the sides, the bottom, and the bridge plate. All right, so we'll go in here to that bridge plate. All right, so here we go. All right, there's one side. Okay, there's one side. Now we will go over to the other side. All right, that gives you a good picture of the bridge plate. Made out of the right stuff. Been put in clean. And some of you guys that have been in it for years and years, feel welcome to chime in, because this is something that we're going to do on all the guitars that are vintage. I'll start at the waist of the top of the guitar where you're going to be facing down on it all the time. And I'll go around toward the back to show you any repairs or lack of repairs. Okay, so not any repairs on the side. And I'm going to go in now and take you around the heel side of the guitar with the neck block. There's your serial number. Okay, there's your top in the area toward the neck block. Okay, so then we'll show you the bottom. Very clean. There's the bottom all the way back to the tail block. The guitar doesn't have any repairs as far as cracks or any of that. The top finish, I think that I think it's a light overspray. And the reason that I think that is because of the divots. The divots are not where the guitar can't be played by any sense of the word. It doesn't affect the play, and the frets are good. But if this guitar, here's a picture of the headstock since we're up here. But if that guitar was played that much, then it's hard for me to believe that there's not any pick marks on the guitar. I think it was oversprayed, and I think it was done years ago because of the finish cracking that we have on the overspray. It's not something that just happened overnight. I think it was oversprayed a long time ago, and even at that point, there's not any pick marks or wear on the. I mean, it's a possibility that the finish is original, but I just don't know how it could be original and have the divots in the fretboard that it has. 1.05 on this side of the bridge. We get the same place. 1.05 on this side of the bridge. And then 1.35 in the middle of it. And then let's start up here at the fretboard. All right, so we are, let me get back here where the frets are at, where the nut is at. Let me zero this caliper. Okay, so right at the nut is 1.72, 1.71, and this is a 1965. So 1.70. At the 7th fret, .98, and at the 12th fret, 2.15. The string height is 4/64 and 6/64 on it. All right, so the neck delt at the 1st fret is .91, and at the 7th fret is 1.03, and then at the 12th fret is 1.19. All right, so here's the height on the saddle. The bridge is in real good condition. All right, so I'm going to turn it over now, and I've got these neat little tools. Here's the back. Here's the tuners, back of the tuners. The guitar's clean. I've got these little tools that I bought from StewMac that I absolutely love, and it will show you the contour of the neck. And if you've got a favorite neck, you should get you one of these. And then, okay, all right, you should get you one of these, because that way there, when you're buying, you'll know just exactly what to get if you want that same neck again. Okay, so we're going to the 7th fret now. And we're going to lock her down on the 7th fret. The phone just fell. Okay, I'm going to keep on going. We'll have to set the phone back up again, but we will get it set up again. I'm just going to keep moving. We've got a tripod ordered for that phone, and then that won't be happening. Okay, so here's the 12th fret. Okay, so what is the neck diameter? Where does it fit at? Okay, all right, this is a soft V. I think that was the 1st fret. I might have got them mixed up. Okay, so we go back to the soft V again. Okay, so you can see it's wider. And I hope this is the 12th fret one, but okay, so you can see the exact angle of the neck with these tools. Like I have my favorite neck, and so every time I get one built, I build it with that neck because it's my favorite one. All right, so we've got our neck design. The neck is very clean, very clean. Never has had a strap button put in it. All right, I'm going to turn this back over. And I want you to look at this top one more time. Let me get my list, see if I forgot anything. Okay. Okay, so I think the condition is very good. And the top wood is going to be Sitka. The back and sides is going to be mahogany. Neck wood's going to be mahogany. I showed you the size of the bridge. I showed you the type of the tuners. We weighed the guitar in at 4.1 pounds, I think. Let's just make sure that all this is very important to someone that's playing the guitar and what they expect out of it. Yeah, 4.02, 4.03. All right, so we know the neck is a soft V. The string height is 4/64 to 6/64. The string spacing is going to be 2 1/8. We know that. We know the reinforcement is a T-bar. I'll give you the depth at the 1st, 7th, and 12th fret, and the fretboard width. I have give you that. It was shipped in a hard shell case. So I think the only thing left to do is show you the finish cracks in the guitar. And I mean, there is places that you can see where there's little divots at, but not much. Here's around the pick guard. Okay, here is what I was talking about. I'm going to do this on the fretboard, going at. Okay, so it's not, the divots doesn't hurt the playing of the guitar, but it does show that this guitar's been played, but it's been refretted, obviously. The neck's good. So I'm going to go with a light overspray on the top of this one. And thank you all for watching this video, and welcome your comments in from anybody that wants to send in anything, make any comments or anything. Please get in touch with me where we can all learn together. All right. Thank you very much.